Charlie, congratulations to Chelsea. If you're a Chelsea fan, Charlie, you guys have done well. Barca, maybe you'll be on my phone. Barca, I want me. Queen 6 hour me. She Queen 6 hour machine. When I feel lucky, I can offside. So, me I be on 3. I mean, the Father, the Son, and the Holy Spirit. Hey, but Charlie, Kulinoko. No kuyani nake football na. True football. I can boldly say that through football, a lot of guys have gotten girlfriend because of football. Through football, they've gotten girls that are interested in football, or let me say, Amena, yeah, because of football. Why am I saying so? Back in the Barca match and Chelsea, me who, and then in my junction, I was like, okay, Charlie, make a stand there. It's been a long time I watched Chelsea's fan, although I'm a Chelsea fan. And I've not been watching. I'm not even familiar with the players. I know Enzo, some few of them, because I watch the highlights. Sometimes I check the scores and stuff. But there was this girl by my standing close to me. The girl was hyper. Hey, football. From what she's saying, Charlie, the lady really know football inside. And she love football, and she supports Chelsea. So through the football, we started engaging, talking, blah blah, tactics and tactics and football things, and she was like happy and all that. And then, so I was like, hey, why do you like football? I said, oh yeah, I love football, pa. And Charlie, football. So we started talking, blah blah, and she was vibing, she was really vibing. And Charlie, when we finished, I was like, hey, Charlie, now you are a Chelsea fan, so Charlie, big house, welcome to the family. Good to know you, blah blah. But hey, I didn't ask her name. If I didn't small inside, the one that came vibe, Charlie. When I was also feeling the vibe. What I need is that like I enjoyed the chat and then I left. I didn't take her number. I didn't even ask her name. But once in a while, I see her in the wood. The one I mean by, and I was thinking about it, I was like, hey, imagine like I'm seriously single, or like I'm really searching for some girl, be pa. Come on through football. What vibe is? Come on, my be next time can I know my hello, what's up? What's happening? Blah blah. And then through football, we become friends. And when we become very close, and let's say fine, we get to know each other and like, oh, she's cool. And she's also beautiful, very beautiful. She's a very young, nice girl. Inabu onaka ayeye kumeni amenabu line etishin wa like an year. Don't mind me. No what no then now this is where I come in. So imagine she's a good girl, she has a good character, she's let's say a well-nurtured, respectful, very humble lady, and looking at me, definitely I might fall in love with her. And then for her side too, because I believe myself that I'm a good guy, she also will fall in love with me, or might like my gestures and stuff. And at the end of the day, when we start dating and things are okay and we accept ourselves, we are going to marry. So you like a football will link us. You see the thing. So I was thinking about this. I was like, Charlie, through football, a lot of guys have gotten girlfriends because one thing will lead to another, something will just connect the opportunity. So this is why it's very important for you to have a good character, be a good person, be well-being, like build yourself to the extent like okay, the person looking at you and your qualities and your values, the person might love you. And Charlie, opportunity, so you prepare to meet opportunity, and then you are good to go. So come on. And this one I was interested in she be in a girl cry. You see that? Charlie, my name is Nia Ike Ganubi. I have a relationship channel. I love talking about relationships, so you can check it out. Race of Love channel on all social media. Subscribe to our YouTube. I have a lot of street interviews there. Okay, I'll see you guys and thank you. But hey, go find it. Because I've said it, or you go and watch match and try to see, you look for, you see girls there, or go find it. But one thing I heard, I didn't know. They said nursing girls, Charlie, then they chop bet pa. They say then they do bet pa. Hey, I never knew this. Oh, this was a secret. Please, if you know, let me know. They say now the girls then they do bet pass all the boys. Anyway, Kokonsa, bye bye.